Hello children, welcome to Global Board. I am your teacher Priyanka Goyal and today I am going to teach you the second chapter of civics of class 6. The name of the chapter is diversity and discrimination. In previous chapter we have discussed the meaning of diversity. We all know that there is unity in diversity in India, yet this diversity is not always celebrated. Sometimes it causes discrimination. This is because we all are not similar in looking, appearance, in caste or religion. See children, look at this picture. There are some people in this picture. All are not same, all are not look alike. All are not from the same caste or religion or the same family background. All are not same financial background. They speak different languages. So these are the reason for the differences, and this diversity sometimes create discrimination. There are diversities in status, in religion, in language spoken, in dressing, in looking appearance, in caste, in many other things. There is diversity, and this diversity creates discrimination. So many reasons are there. So children, as I told you diversity creates sometimes discrimination. This is because we are not similar in looking appearance, in caste, in religion, or we all do not belong to the same geographical region. We belong to different geographical region. We all do not speak same mother tongue. We feel safe and secure with people who look like us, who talk like us, who dress like us, and who think like us. Sometimes when we meet people who are very different from us, we may find them strange and unfamiliar. People make certain attitudes and opinions about others who are not like them. They prejudice other people who are not like them. Prejudice means to judge people who are not like them, means to judge people negatively or to see them inferior. I repeat, prejudice means to judge other people negatively or see them as inferior. If we see inferior to other people, it means we are not respecting them. We are not respecting those people who are different from us. For example, if we think English is the best language and other languages are not important, we are judging other languages negatively. As a result, we might not respect people who speak languages other than English. Sometimes, even though we belong to the same religion or we belong to the same caste, sometimes we fix people into a particular image, so we create stereotype. Let's understand what is the meaning of stereotype. Prejudice means you understand, to judge other people negatively or to make them feel that they are inferior to us. Okay, now prejudice means when we fix people in particular one image, we create stereotype. When people say that those who belong to a particular country, or those who belong to a particular religion, or those who are coming from particular economic background are stingy or lazy or criminal or dumb, so they are using stereotypes. There are stingy and generous people everywhere, in every country, in every religion, in every group, whether rich or poor, male or female. Just because some people are like that, it is not fair to think that everyone will be the same. Stereotypes stop us from looking at each person as a unique individual with his or her own special qualities and skill that are different from others. They fit large number of people into only one pattern or type. Stereo affect all of us as they prevent us from doing certain things that we might otherwise be good at. Okay, children. Today I hope you understood the meaning of diversity and discrimination. You understood the meaning of prejudice and stereotype. In my next session I will teach you the inequality, how the inequalities differ than stereotype and prejudice. We will discuss in next lecture. We will discuss the case of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, who is considered the father of the Indian Constitution. I will share the one experience of Mr. Dr. Ambedkar also. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.